Hello guys, here is I have Blue Studio Mini 2023. This one is the screen's cracked, and I'm gonna show you how to replace this screen. First, we have to remove this back cover from corner. We're gonna lift it up and separate the back cover. Then we're gonna remove this battery. You can see it's Studio Mini 2023 model. And now we're gonna remove this all screw. This all screw are same. This is a star screw. We remove all the screw. There is one more screw under the blue sticker. We have to remove that one too, and bottom side we have to remove all the screw. This also same screw, this tie screw. We remove all the screw. Now we're gonna remove this back panel with this knife. We're gonna lift it up. And also top side same thing. First we're gonna lift it up on the right side. We need to remove the SIM card. And top side there is one lock. We have to unlock that one. And we're gonna lift it up slowly. There is volume button and power button flags, so we don't want it too hard to lift it up. Just slowly lift it up and remove this connection from here. First we're gonna lift it up this cable, then remove this volume button and power button flags. Now we're gonna separate this power button and volume button flags. Now we're gonna disconnect the charging port and LCD connection. Slowly gonna separate it. There is some glue under that ribbon. Just slowly remove it. And now we're gonna remove this camera. First we're gonna disconnect this camera, and there is one screw, we have to remove it. Then we're gonna lifting up the motherboard slowly and easy to remove it. There is one lock, we have to unlock it. Just slowly lifting up and separate the motherboard. And there is one antenna line. We're gonna remove this connection. Remove this motherboard already. Now we're gonna remove this air speaker and camera. With these tools we're gonna lift it up slowly. You can separate easily in the back camera. Now we're gonna remove this air speaker. We have to be careful. We're gonna apply some alcohol. These are 99% alcohol. You can find in eBay. Also you can find in Walgreens, CVS. Then with the tweezer, just slowly lifting up. Yes, we separate this air speaker. Now we're gonna remove this charging port. If anyone has a charging port issue, you can change the charging port like that. First remove this charging port connection. And then you have to remove this touch screen connection. This is the touch screen connection. There is some glue under that, so you have to some apply heat and then remove easily. And here is one vibration. First you can apply some heat, then remove this vibration. And now you are gonna remove the charging port. First you're gonna apply some heat, and then slowly you're gonna lift it up. If you need more heat, just add more heat. It is come out easily, so you don't need more heat. You separate the charging port. So we remove everything, and we don't need to remove the charging port plugs because the new screen has it. You cannot find this screen on online now, so I order one phone from online, cheaper price, and we just remove the screen from new phone and just exchange the motherboard. It's easy to remove everything. Now we're gonna put it back ear speaker, and then we're gonna put it back motherboard. Just press it down and put it back the charging port connection, and now this is the LCD connection, and put it back this clip, and now we're gonna put it back this camera, back camera, connect the camera connection and push down the clip. Now you're gonna organize the antenna, and bottom side we're gonna put it back charging port. Yeah, just press it down and connect this charging port connection and put it back vibration. And here is the touch screen connection. Just you're gonna push in. You can see white mark, you go all the way in white mark, then press it down the clip, and now you're gonna connect this antenna connection, and organize this antenna line, make sure it goes inside. Yeah, this like that. Yeah, you're all set here. Now you're gonna put it back this back panel, and top side I'm gonna put it back on a screw. Just hold the motherboard, and left side we're gonna put it back this power button and volume button plugs. Push in, then just push down the clip, and now we're gonna put it back on top panel. Just press it down. We're all set here. Now organize this tape, glue tape, is hold the power button and volume button plugs. And now we're gonna put it back all screw. This all screw are same, star screw. Top side we all set, all screw. Now we're gonna do bottom side. You guys can also check before put the all screw, plug in on battery and check, make sure touch is working. But this is original screen, and I know it's good, that's why I didn't check. Plug in battery, and now we're gonna put it back this back cover on top side. Press it down. Yeah, now just turning on. And check touch screen work. Yes, it's working. Go to the emergency and type in our number. Yeah, everything's work fine. Swipe up. I don't know the password, but should be everything is good. Network is there, and you can see phone is like brand new again. And let me check it charging or not. Yeah, plug-in on. Yes, it's charging. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it's 81% charge, and you can see charging sign here. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.